In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Emergent AI plan. By following these steps, you'll be able to select a plan that fits your needs effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser, type in Google in the address bar and press enter. This will direct you to the Google homepage where you can begin your search. Next, in the Google search bar, type Emergent AI and hit enter. Review the search results that appear, which will include links to the Emergent AI platform. Once the search results load, look for the link labeled Emergent Build Apps with AI. Click on this link to navigate directly to the Emergent AI website. You should now be on the Emergent AI homepage. After reaching the homepage, locate the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to open your account settings. In the account settings menu, find the option labeled Upgrade. Click on Upgrade to proceed to the plan selection screen. This is where you will choose your new subscription plan. Now look for the section that says choose your plan. Click on it to see the different subscription options available. Take a moment to review each plan's features and pricing. Select the plan that best suits your needs. You will have the option to upgrade or downgrade at any time, providing flexibility as your requirements change. Next, choose whether you want to pay monthly or annually. Clicking on monthly will set you up for a monthly billing cycle, while selecting annually will offer a different pricing structure. If you decide to go with the annual option, click on annually. This selection will display the annual pricing details for the plans. Now you can choose between the Pro and Standard plans. Click on Pro if you require premium features, or select Standard for a more basic plan. After selecting your desired plan, click on Upgrade to Pro or Upgrade to Standard based on your choice. This will initiate the upgrade process. Next, you will see a setup screen that requires you to enter your payment information. Review the details carefully before proceeding. At this point, you may be prompted to provide your contact information. Click on Contact Information to fill in the required fields. Following that, navigate to Payment Method to select how you wish to pay for your subscription. Options typically include, if you choose to pay by card, click on Card and enter your card details in the fields provided. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. For alternative payment methods, you can select Cash App Pay, Crypto, or Bank. Click on your preferred option and follow the prompts. Once you have entered your payment information, click on Subscribe. This action will finalize your upgrade process. To ensure everything is set, you may want to review the confirmation messages that appear after your subscription is processed. These messages will inform you of the successful upgrade. After upgrading, you can always return to the account settings to manage your subscription further. This includes downgrading if necessary. Finally, be aware that any changes to your plan will take effect in the next billing cycle. Your current credits will remain active until the cycle ends. That concludes the steps to upgrade your Emergent AI plan. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.